If sine of 2x plus 7 is equal to cosine of 4x minus 7, what is the value of x? So to answer this question, you have to have an understanding of the co-trig identity between sine and cosine. So let me quickly just demonstrate what is exactly this co-trig identity. So suppose I have a triangle here. I'm going to label this capital A, B, and C. Then the sides opposite to those angles will have the following notations, right? Lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase c. So suppose I wanted to figure out what is sine of a, right? Sine of a is going to be the ratio between the opposite side of angle A over the hypotenuse. This would be lowercase a over lowercase c. Similarly, I can say cosine of capital B, right? I can find the ratio of it. And the side that's going to be adjacent to angle B, because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, is going to be A, and the hypotenuse is again C. Based on this quick, I guess, demonstration of sine and cosine for this triangle that I've just made up, you can see here sine A and cosine B are equivalent. Sine A is equal to cosine B. Well, under what circumstances are they going to be the same? Well, if you look at this, A and B, they don't have to be equal, right? But what we do know is A and B must be complementary. How do I know they must be complementary? Well, that's because all three angles, A plus B plus 90, must add up to 180, right? So A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180. So if I subtract both sides by 90, I get A plus B equal to 90. So again, this is true only if A plus B is equal to 90. So going back to the original question here, if I have, I'm going to use a different color now. If I have sine of 2x plus 7 is equal to cosine of 4x minus 7, this would be true only if the arguments inside of the sine and cosine functions are complementary. So we have to say 2x plus 7 plus 4x minus 7. Those two expressions there must add up to equal to 90. Well, if I combine like terms, 2x and 4x, 7 and negative 7, I get 6x is equal to 90. Let's divide both sides by 6. I get x is equal to 15 as a result, right? And the question is, what is the value of x? Well, we just solved it. That would be option 2.